Imagine this. You're pulled over for DWI, but in the back seat, your child is sitting there. In Louisiana, that simple fact changes everything. It's no longer just about drunk driving, it's child endangerment. And the penalties? Life-changing. Child endangerment with DWI is one of the most serious charges you can face in Baton Rouge. I'm here to walk you through what it means, what's at stake, and why having an experienced defense attorney like David E. Stanley could make all the difference. In Louisiana, child endangerment means placing a child at risk of physical, emotional, or psychological harm. That includes leaving them in dangerous environments, neglect, or exposing them to violence. But if you're arrested for DWI with a child under 12 in the vehicle, it becomes even more serious because the law doesn't wait for actual harm. The risk itself is enough. Here's how severe it gets. First offense, up to 6 months in jail, fines, and mandatory programs. Second offense, harsher fines, longer jail time, more restrictions. Third offense, thousands in fines, 1 to 5 years in prison, ignition interlock devices, and restricted licenses. Fourth offense, up to 30 years in prison and possible seizure of your vehicle. And remember, this all comes from having a child under 12 in your car during a DWI arrest. You don't need an accident or even injury for the charges to stick. Many people confuse child abuse and child endangerment. Abuse is the intentional infliction of harm. Endangerment is different. It's about putting a child in dangerous circumstances, even without intent. And Louisiana law treats both very seriously. If you or a loved one are facing child endangerment charges connected to DWI, your freedom, your reputation, and even your parental rights are at risk. Prosecutors pursue these cases aggressively, but you don't have to face it alone. David E. Stanley, APLC, has decades of experience in criminal defense right here in Baton Rouge. He challenges evidence, protects your rights, and fights for the best possible outcome. Get the skilled defense you deserve. Call David E. Stanley, APLC, at 225-92-60200 today for a confidential consultation. Protect your future and your family.